Today we're working on this 2006 Tribeca. We haven't had one in a while. This one actually was a really nice car. Interior is pretty nice. Electronics look really neat. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this. I call it the dope light, sun visor tray holder, whatever you want to call it. Let's say your moonroof stopped working. Well, your moonroof switch is here, so maybe the switch went bad. I haven't ever heard of one going bad, but you never ever know. So first things first, open the sunglass holder. Make sure sunglasses aren't in there. Grab a Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 screws up here. A little more right here. Okay, with that, just go ahead and stick your fingers back here. Maybe we need a little more power than that. Don't do it from this side. It looks like these guys got to come off. Okay, let's take this off without breaking it. You're gonna have to get in here on the sides and just give it kind of a, yeah. There's 2 more screws right here. Drop these guys. These tabs are stuck in here, so don't go pulling from this side like I did. Take this cover off first. It comes off really easy. Just stick your hand back here and just push on it. It'll pop out. 2 screws up here, and then open this up. 2 screws up there, and then pull down like this and pull forward. It'll pop out. And then got a bunch of wires to unclip. You got 1. Subaru, I hate you for making these clips so hard to take out. Doesn't like me. There it goes. There you go. Dope light. This guy's held on by these little clips right here. It looks very simple, and check it out right here. When this is installed in here, like so, there's these little screwdriver spots right here. You see on my tip of my screwdriver, my fillet of my things going in here. Look at that. As soon as you put it in here, hit prise, open. Voila, like that. Take this out, you can see the 2 screw hole spots, and you got 2 back here. Phillips screwdriver, 2-minute job. Shouldn't take you longer than that. So let's put that back in. That's how I remove the dope light. Same way going back up in there. Just plug everything up, push it up, and just put your screws back in it. Don't use the power tool if you're not used to it. Use just a little hand tool and just tighten it so you don't strip the bolts. That's how you remove one of these. Every part I'm taking off this car is for sale. So if you need something, give us a call. Subscribe to our channel. Tell us, hey, Johnny, I need to remove this shift knob. I need to, how. Before you break it, let us know. We'll make a video. We're pretty good about that.